Hi everyone, welcome to Bright Learners Real Life English. Today we are learning 50 super easy English phrases you can use at the beach. Let's dive in.
Beautiful beach today.
Beautiful beach today.
Yes, perfect weather.
Yes, perfect weather.
Where should we sit?
Where should we sit?
Over there, near the water.
Over there, near the water.
Let's open the umbrella.
Let's open the umbrella.
Sure, it's so sunny.
Sure, it's so sunny.
Don't forget the sunscreen.
Don't forget the sunscreen.
I'm doing it now.
I'm doing it now.
Do you have sunglasses?
Do you have sunglasses?
Yes, in my bag.
Yes, in my bag.
Is the water cold?
Is the water cold?
No, it's nice and warm.
No, it's nice and warm.
Let's go swim.
Let's go swim.
Wait for us.
Wait for us.
Look at the big waves.
Look at the big waves.
They look scary.
They look scary.
Look at this shell.
Look at this shell.
Wow, so pretty.
Wow, so pretty.
Watch out, a crab.
Watch out, a crab.
Ah, it's moving.
Ah, it's moving.
Where are your flip-flops?
Where are your flip-flops?
Here they are.
Here they are.
I love sunbathing.
I love sunbathing.
Me too. So relaxing.
Me too. So relaxing.
What are you reading?
What are you reading?
Just a book.
Just a book.
I'm gonna take a nap.
I'm gonna take a nap.
Okay, I'll wake you up.
Okay, I'll wake you up.
Is this your chair?
Is this your chair?
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, go ahead.
I'm getting red.
I'm getting red.
Put on a hat and a t-shirt.
Put on a hat and a t-shirt.
It's so windy.
It's so windy.
Hold the mat.
Hold the mat.
Want to play volleyball?
Want to play volleyball?
Yes, sounds fun.
Yes, sounds fun.
Pass me the frisbee.
Pass me the frisbee.
Catch, here it comes.
Catch, here it comes.
The sand is so hot.
The sand is so hot.
Put on your sandals.
Put on your sandals.
Want to go for a run?
Want to go for a run?
No, I like walking more.
No, I like walking more.
Look at that big sandcastle.
Look at that big sand castle.
Wow, the kids did great.
Wow, the kids did great.
Can you help me dig a hole?
Can you help me dig a hole?
Sure, use the shovel.
Sure, use this shovel.
Don't run on the wet sand.
Don't run on the wet sand.
Okay, we'll be careful.
Okay, we'll be careful.
The water looks beautiful.
The water looks beautiful.
Yes, let's jump in.
Yes, let's jump in.
Can you swim?
Can you swim?
Yes, but I stay near the beach.
Yes, but I stay near the beach.
Want to rent a paddleboard?
Want to rent a paddleboard?
Yes, it looks like fun.
Yes, it looks like fun.
Great waves for surfing.
Great waves for surfing.
Yeah, grab your board.
Yeah, grab your board.
Can I borrow your goggles?
Can I borrow your goggles?
Here you go. Have fun.
Here you go. Have fun.
Look at the colorful fish.
Look at the colorful fish.
Where? I need my mask.
Where? I need my mask.
The water is too strong here.
The water is too strong here.
Let's swim back.
Let's swim back.
Do you like kayaking?
Do you like kayaking?
Love it. Let's rent one.
Love it. Let's rent one.
Watch out! Big wave!
Watch out. Big wave.
Oops, I drank some water.
Oops, I drank some water.
What's inside that tide pool?
What's inside that tide pool?
Look closely. A purple starfish.
Look closely. A purple starfish.
Can I touch this?
Can I touch this?
No, don't touch. Just watch.
No, don't touch. Just watch.
Careful, these rocks are slippery.
Careful. These rocks are slippery.
Thanks. I'll walk slowly.
Thanks. I'll walk slowly.
What flavor do you want?
What flavor do you want?
1 chocolate cone, please.
1 chocolate cone, please.
1 mango shaved ice for me, please.
1 mango shaved ice for me, please.
What can I get for you?
What can I get for you?
A hot dog and fries, please.
A hot dog and fries, please.
That's $20, please.
That's $20, please.
I'll get this.
I'll get this.
No, it's on me. Thanks.
No, it's on me. Thanks.
I'm hungry. Any food?
I'm hungry. Any food?
We have sandwiches.
We have sandwiches.
Want a cold drink?
Want a cold drink?
Yes, please. I'm so thirsty.
Yes, please. I'm so thirsty.
Watch out for the sand.
Watch out for the sand.
I know. Close the box.
I know. Close the box.
Can we use the grill?
Can we use the grill?
Yes, we need some charcoal.
Yes, we need some charcoal.
I love watermelon here.
I love watermelon here.
Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah, it's so good.
Do you have an opener?
Do you have an opener?
Yes, here it is.
Yes, here it is.
Look at the seagulls.
Look at the seagulls.
Go away. Don't feed them.
Go away. Don't feed them.
Napkin, please.
Napkin, please.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Let's eat lunch.
Let's eat lunch.
Okay, I'll wash my hands.
Okay, I'll wash my hands.
The ice melted.
The ice melted.
That's fine. Drinks are still cold.
That's fine. Drinks are still cold.
Shake your towel.
Shake your towel.
Good idea. No sand in the car.
Good idea. No sand in the car.
Look, the sunset.
Look, the sunset.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Time for the bonfire?
Time for the bonfire?
Yes, let's get some wood.
Yes, let's get some wood.
I love marshmallows.
I love marshmallows.
Me too. Put it here.
Me too. Put it here.
It's getting cold.
It's getting cold.
I've got you covered.
I've got you covered.
Can we stay longer?
Can we stay longer?
Sure, it closes at 10.
Sure, it closes at 10.
Let's pack up.
Let's pack up.
I'll clean up the trash.
I'll clean up the trash.
Great beach day today.
Great beach day today.
Yeah, let's come back next week.
Yeah. Let's come back next week.
Wow, what a wonderful beach day. Now you are ready to speak English naturally on your next vacation. If this video helped you learn some English, please give us a like and subscribe for more easy English videos. See you next time. Bye!